It's actually a funny story. You see, I had let's say I had a group of friends, and I found that, often we had talks about, why is electricity what it is? Why is things built the way it is? Why am I happy with this? Why am I unhappy with this? And at one point in time, it just struck me. I was already working in the sporting sector at that point as a volunteer, because, there's no money in sports in Namibia, not that much. So, making a difference for no compensation isn't something new to me. And I said, but what if I could do that I'm doing for sport, but just on another level, on a national level, or at least at a regional level. And one of the friends that I had at that point said, well, there are ways to do this. He was already an active SWAPO member at that time for quite some years. And, he invited me, I think what made the difference for me is he really educated me, because I didn't know a lot about, parties and political stuff and how do you get to parliament, what is the power of everything. And I think the guidance that he gave me, this was around about 2010 that started. And I realized that instead of sitting at home and complaining, if I actually get involved and, put in the hours and do the work, then I can get to a place where I can make a change.